In Latin dances, a frame is how dancers hold their bodies to stay connected with each other. Imagine it as a structured yet flexible link formed by the arms, shoulders, and upper body. This frame is essential for clear communication between the lead and the follow. With a good frame, the lead can send clear signals to the follow about where to move and how to turn. The follow can then pick up on those signals and respond accurately, making the dance smooth and in sync. This connection lets both dancers move together effortlessly even during complex steps. Without a proper frame, things can get a bit tricky. The connection between the dancers becomes weak, making it hard for the lead to guide the follow effectively. The follow might miss cues or misinterpret them, leading to awkward movements and mistakes. This can disrupt the flow of the dance and make it look and feel less polished. So a strong frame is crucial. It ensures that both partners are in tune with each other, enhancing balance, coordination, and the overall quality of the dance. With a good frame, dancing becomes a seamless and enjoyable experience for both the lead and the follow. And if you find value in this video, do like and share, and be sure to follow so that you can stay in touch with my weekly Thursday Truth Bomb videos. Also, do check out the highlights on my profile. I talk about dance, wellness, and finance. It's time for Friday Finance tomorrow. Peace.